Here I've got Samsung Galaxy M30s, and let me show you how to update applications on the following device. So at first let's open your Play Store, then go to the More options and pick My Apps and Games. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, and then you can either update each particular application by tapping on Update tab right next to the name of the application, for example YouTube. Just click here and update it. And then here you can observe the progress. As you can see, at first the latest version will be downloaded and then installed. You can go back and also take a look at the progress here. And that's it. As you can see, it has been updated, and here is the recently updated app. And if you would like to update all applications at once, just click on Update All and wait until it's done. So this is it. This is how you can smoothly and easily update applications in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.